Guys, there we go, my Ramton washing machine. I ordered it from Jumia. I'll give you the reviews, and yeah, guys, this is Ramton washing machine, 10 kg automatic. Okay, the reason why I bought this washing machine because I'm able to wash my duvet. Okay, so how do I begin? This is water inlet, but because of this pipe is small, I have to just put it direct. This is wash, spin, wash timer, and then there's normal and AV, then there's wash and drain, then spin timer, which is applicable to this side where you spin your clothes. Okay, so this is 7 kg, this is 10 kg. Okay, so let's wash my duvet. The first thing we do, we put water in. We connect water. So make sure when you connect water, the option is wash and rinse, not drain. Yeah. So we have reached the desired height. Yeah, so I just put this one here. Okay, then I take my Omo. Yeah, once I put my Omo, I make sure it's on, then I first spin to ensure that the water mixes well with the Omo. I'll add some. So guys, I'm done. It has been washing for 30 minutes. So I'll drain the water. So I just come here. This is rinse and drain. So I drain it. Just drain. Yeah. There we go. So after draining, guys, we'll put another water. So after rinsing, we put in some clean water. After draining, we put in some clean water. So guys, after putting water, so this is clean water, so I'll spin it because I'm rinsing it. I'll bring to spin. Then I spin for, and we are done. So guys, we're done. Yeah. So I'll drain. Then we'll go and hang the. So thank you guys for watching. That is the Ramton semi-automatic 10 kg washing machine. Do I recommend? Yes. It does not use a lot of electricity and it does not use a lot of water. Thank you for watching and support the channel by subscribing. And thank you and leaving a comment.